This is an official channel of New Sadiq Public Montessori and High School. It is an education.
Assalamu alaikum, students.
Walaikum assalam.
How are you all?
I am good, alhamdulillah.
Well, this is your science class, and we will read about All About Me. Today we are going to read All About Me. Do you know what is the meaning of All About Me? Yes, tell me what is the meaning of All About Me?
अपने बारे
सब about बारे me मेरे. यानी आज हम reading करेंगे All About Me अपने बारे में. Now who will come in front of the board and tell me what you can see in the mirror? Yes, Hanifa come. Speak loudly. Look at the mirror and tell me what you can see in the mirror.
I see my body in the mirror.
Very good. Body part and full body in the mirror. You should tell which body parts you see in the mirror.
Head, forehead, eyebrow, eyes, nose, lips, teeth, cheeks, chin.
Very loud for Khatiba. Now students, All About Me name is in this chapter we will study about your body parts internally and externally. यानी जो body parts बाहर और बाहर से भी नजर आते हैं और जो अंदरूनी होते हैं अंदर होते हैं इनको हम देख नहीं सकते. For example, heart, kidneys, lungs. These body parts are internal. So about major body parts you can see in the mirror: eyes, nose, ear, hand, lips, knees, legs, toes, feet, arms, elbow. These are the major body parts we will study in this unit. Now, who will tell me where is eyes? Where is eyes? Stand up, mirror, and stand. Tell me where is eyes? Yes, show me your flashcards. These are
Eyes.
These are
Eyes.
Good, sit down. Yes. These are
Ears.
touch your ears. Hurry up. Now tell me which from ears which function? Tell me the function of ears. We can
Hear.
ears से हम क्या करते हैं? We can
Hear. Yes.
you can hear me?
Yes.
आप मुझे सुन रहे हैं?
Yes.
Now from which body part you hear?
Ear.
From which body part you hear?
Ear.
Now next sit down. Now tell me from which body part you will smell the things.
Nose.
Nose. Where is nose? Nose. Where is nose? Yes, this is
Nose.
And from nose we will smell. And from nose we will.
Smell.
What is the function of hands?
To touch.
To touch. Function of hands are
To touch.
to touch or hold things in your hand. Good. Sit down. Next. Kasha, stand up. Which flashcard is in your hand? Look at the flash. Lips. Very good. Now, girls, do you think about any poem about your body parts?
Yes.
Which poem?
Head and shoulders.
Yes, head and shoulders. Now, Hanifa and Arshia will come in front of board and perform on this poem.
Head and shoulders, head and shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes, eyes and ears, lips and nose, lips and nose. We are growing, day by day, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday.
Very good, girls. Now, back to seats, Khatiba and Arshia. And sit down, all of you girls. Now, girls, today's lecture is interesting or not?
Yes.
Yes, this is our interesting lecture. And anyone tell me the name of your name? All About Me. And today we are studying about their body parts, about our body parts, eyes, nose, ear, hands. You have to learn these body parts name with spellings from home. Okay? Okay. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.
Opportunities. Thanks for watching videos. Thanks for watching.